This is a video response to Bomber 101 Master Keysafe Gutted. This is a Master Keysafe 5401D. It's the same mechanism as the one Bomber 101 uses, but it's in a wall mounted case style. The 5400 is the style used by Bomber 101, but essentially this part here, the mechanism is exactly the same. This one here I've set to 4 zeros. It's the default combination. As you can see inside, you've got the same, exactly the same mechanism. So you've got your levers that spring down, reset lever here, and the cam that goes here, and the roller mechanisms in here. Everything else is the same except the case. This one's got a little bit of scratching on the case, you can see here. Basically, before I worked out how to open it up, I was trying to reach the reset mechanism with a piece of wire. Obviously that wouldn't have worked anyway, but I didn't know how to get into it, so I was trying anything. But I worked out what to do with this one. So we're at 4 zeros, and if I switch on the reset, set a random number, okay, switch off the reset. Now what I need to do is close this up. Okay, and randomise the number, so I have no idea what the number is. Now basically I'm going to find flat spots. Okay, this doesn't take very long. Okay, there we go, that's it. So in 10 minutes this went from thinking that this was one of the most secure key safes to thinking that it's actually not very secure at all. Cheers.